Hey guys, what's up? Today I am here with part 4 of the monster truck animations. So let's get started. Hey guys, yeah? Do you want to see my new dog? Yeah! You got a new dog? Aww, he's so cute! What's his name? Oh, Jay. Aw, can we pet him? Sure. Well, anyway, I have to leave now. When it is time for bed. Where's Jay? Oh no! Guys, what are you talking about? He's right. What? Wait, guys, it's a broken window. Someone broke in and stole Jay. Let's go get him back. Can I stay here and play Roblox? No! Alright. Can I play Roblox on the way there? No! Aw, please. Ow. Fine, on the way there and that's it. But you better put it on mute. Okay. You are not doing this mission. Go to bed. Brick can't even move. Yeah, well, that's your problem. Oh no. No one's here. Wait, guys! Don't listen to him. No, guys, I found the thief. I found Jay. Huh? Come back here. Okay, fine. Oh, are you okay, Jay? Go, right. You better get away from my dog right now. Never do that again. Go! And that's the end. Goodbye.